Hey guys, so from today I'm going to start a playlist of C programming, and the first program I'm going to write is of print and hello world. So let's start. First I will write hash include, then stdio.h, which is used to which is basically a function of input and output. That's why it's in INO. So after that I'm going to open a main function and it's there, and after that I'm going to write print f. That is, the printf is used to print the like line or sentence, and in this I will write hello world, and I will close this with a semicolon, and return 0 shows that it has 0 errors. And now I'm going to run it. As you can see, hello world is printed.